Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix network lag, high ping or packet loss on Valorant on Windows. Right, so first of all what you need to do here, you need to go to status.riotgames.com and select the language here and select the server here and look if there is no issues related to servers on Riot Games. And if there is no issues, then I highly advise you to go to speed test and check your internet connection. So if you have reliable internet connection, you're good to go. And if you don't, maybe try to limit your devices, or maybe restart your router if you did not done in a while, and do a bunch of different things here on your end. And after you test your internet and your internet is quite good, so go to task manager and go to performance, go to open resource monitor, and then go to processes with network activity and some tasks here if you know, and basically that don't crash your computer. For example, I know that I'm using Discord, so if I play Valorant and I don't need that, I can easily end the process here, or maybe Steam or other things here. I can end the task here. And the next thing that you can do here, you can change your DNS address. So go to, on the bottom right, go to your network, right click on that, go to open the network and internet settings, and then go to change adapter options here and right click on this, go to Internet Protocol version 4, and then press use following DNS server addresses and just write 8.8.8.8, and on alternate DNS server just write 8.8.4.4 and then press OK. And after you do that, then you can go to device manager, and then you need to look for network adapters, and you need to update your network adapters drivers. So right click on that, properties, update driver, and search automatically for drivers. If you don't know exactly which one to update, I highly advise you to update them all with the same process here, and then look if you have network lag, high ping, or packet loss on Valorant. All right, so that's pretty much it what I want to show you, and if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.